Meet Maya. She's staring at 3 different homework problems, one about a store sale, one about a test score, and one about a restaurant tip. They all involve percents, and she has no idea where to even start. Sound familiar? Here's the good news. There's one powerful strategy that solves all of them. It's called using proportions, and by the end of this video, Maya and you will be percentage pros. Let's go. Before we help Maya, let's build our foundation. A proportion is simply 2 equal fractions set side by side. For percent problems, we use this setup. Part over whole equals percent over 100. Think of it like a balance scale. Both sides must be equal. The magic move is cross multiplication, which lets us find the missing piece. Once you see this pattern, every percent problem becomes the same puzzle. And puzzles? Those are fun. Here's the 4-step playbook Maya is going to use. Step 1. Figure out which pieces you have: the part, the whole, and the percent. One of them will be missing, and that's your variable x. Step 2. Plug them into the proportion. Part over whole equals percent over 100. Step 3. Cross multiply. Multiply diagonally across the equal sign. Step 4. Divide both sides to find x. That's it. 4 steps every time. Let's watch it in action. Let's zoom in on cross multiplication, because this is the secret weapon. When you have a proportion like a over b equals c over d, you multiply the diagonals. A times d equals b times c. Those cross products are always equal in a true proportion. So if one value is unknown, cross multiplying turns your proportion into a simple one-step equation. It sounds fancy, but watch. It's actually the easiest algebra move you'll ever make. Maya's gonna love this. Maya got 18 out of 25 questions right on her quiz. What percent did she score? Let's set up our proportion. The part is 18, the whole is 25, and the percent is our unknown x. So we write 18 over 25 equals x over 100. Now cross multiply. 18 times 100 equals 25 times x. That gives us 1800 equals 25x. Now divide both sides by 25. 1800 divided by 25 equals 72. So x equals 72. Maya scored 72%. Let's check. 72 over 100 does equal 18 over 25. Boom, it works. Maya sees a jacket on sale for 30% off. The original price is $40. How much is 30% of $40? The part is unknown, call it x. The whole is 40. The percent is 30. Proportion. X over 40 equals 30 over 100. Cross multiply. X times 100 equals 40 times 30. That gives 100x equals 1200. Divide both sides by 100. X equals 12. So 30% of $40 is $12. The jacket costs 40 minus 12, which is $28. Maya saving money and using math. That's a win. Here's something really cool. The same proportion handles 3 different types of percent problems. You just move the x to a different spot. If you're finding the part, x goes on top of the left fraction. If you're finding the whole, x goes on the bottom of the left fraction. And if you're finding the percent itself, x goes on top of the right fraction over 100. Same proportion, 3 scenarios. Maya was amazed when she realized this. One formula really does do it all. New challenge. Maya's class raised money for a field trip. They raised $45, which is 60% of their goal. What is the total goal? Here, the part is 45, the percent is 60, and the whole is unknown, so x goes on the bottom left. Proportion. 45 over x equals 60 over 100. Cross multiply. 45 times 100 equals 60 times x. That gives 4500 equals 60x. Divide both sides by 60. 4500 divided by 60 equals 75. The goal is $75. Maya's class is well on their way. Last type of problem, finding the percent itself. Maya read 36 pages out of a 90-page book. What percent has she read? The part is 36, the whole is 90, and the percent is x. Proportion. 36 over 90 equals x over 100. Cross multiply. 36 times 100 equals 90 times x. That gives 3600 equals 90x. Divide both sides by 90. 3600 divided by 90 equals 40. So x equals 40. Maya has read 40% of her book. Now she knows exactly how far along she is. Let's talk about the mistakes Maya made at first, so you don't have to. Mistake 1, forgetting that percent always goes over 100. That fraction on the right side never changes format. Mistake 2, mixing up part and whole. The whole is the total amount, and the part is the piece you're looking at. Mistake 3, not checking your answer. Always plug it back in. Do both fractions equal the same value? And mistake 4, forgetting to simplify. Keep things clean and errors stay away. You've got this. One more for Maya and for you. A restaurant bill is $50. Maya wants to leave a 20% tip. How much is the tip? The part is unknown. Call it x. The whole is 50. The percent is 20. Proportion, x over 50 equals 20 over 100. Cross multiply, x times 100 equals 50 times 20. That gives 100x equals 1,000. Divide both sides by 100. 1,000 divided by 100 equals 10. The tip is $10. So Maya pays 50 plus 10, which equals $60 total. Great work and great tipping etiquette. Ready for a challenge? Maya's school has 500 students. 60% participate in a club. Of those club members, 25% are in art club. How many students are in art club? First, find 60% of 500. Proportion, x over 500 equals 60 over 100. Cross multiply, 100x equals 30,000. Divide by 100, x equals 300. So 300 students are in clubs. Now find 25% of 300. Proportion, y over 300 equals 25 over 100. Cross multiply, 100y equals 7,500. Divide by 100, y equals 75. 75 students are in art club. 2 proportions, 1 amazing answer. Remember when Maya was staring at that homework, totally lost? Look at her now. She solved a test score problem, a sale price, a fundraiser goal, a reading percent, a restaurant tip, and a 2-step club problem, all using the same proportion. The formula is simple. Part over whole equals percent over 100. Cross multiply, divide. Done. Whether you're shopping, reading, or leaving a tip, proportions have your back. You've learned what Maya